All right, so now this is the third time. I've actually had some of these take 6, 7, 8 times to get these ones out of the cylinder heads. So this is the, like I said the last video that I said there's going to be lots of cursing and swearing. It finally broke free. So I didn't actually have to curse and swear. I was getting ready to. Like I said, sometimes when you heat them up, you can actually feel them wiggle as soon as you touch them in the bore, and then you know you're home free. So this one is out, and you see I'm just using some miscellaneous hardware that's laying around once I build up the weld onto the stud that's recessed inside the cylinder head. And I squirted it with a little PB blaster, which I really don't think that's a great lubricant. So that's out. That's 2 of 3. And then I'm going to go right back in. And don't worry about the cylinder head back carbide. Once you fill that with a little RTV silicone, you ain't got nothing to worry about. The sealing power of this is all around the exhaust port. There's drill templates and all this other crap out there. Don't waste your time. Get yourself a welder. Get some miscellaneous used hardware and have at it. So even though that this is now below the head, it doesn't matter. Your stud's extra long. And then now we're going to go with my dirty carbide, thanks to the boys. The dirty carbide, Caleb. I don't know what you guys are grinding with it, but it's clogged. I would like it to not be clogged, but wishful thinking. So now we're going to go straight carbide. Straight carbide. I'll give you the gist of it. Like a dentist. You kind of get that's the back grind. Let's see if this one goes a little bit smoother. So no, that carbide's not working because it's clogged. I don't really have time to dick around with it. No, it doesn't work. One of you guys are going to have to clean it out later. So I put the sealer wiggle right there. We're going to give it a little pressure wash with some PB blaster. Maybe it'll get up inside the threads there. Nope. So you can see what I was trying to do there. So it's repeat process. Maybe I can keep it on camera and make it happen. Let's see. I got one more bolt here. I didn't anticipate it taking more than just one attempt. Does it look clean in the hole? Probably doesn't. Let's put that light down there. Plus I sprayed it with PB Blaster. Let me clean it up one more time. Because believe it or not, the PB Blaster definitely doesn't make the weld stick so well sometimes. Let's try that. I don't want to fuck up all my shit, so start taking all that off. Yeah, that doesn't feel like she wants to move either. Haley,
What's up?
I said start taking all my stuff off.
Oh, I thought you meant.
No.
I thought you meant taking this off.
What size is this? Well, we have 13? 13? 15? Where's my third time? Welder's flashing. Flashed.
Yeah.
I'm doing this with no mask. That one does not feel like she wants to go. Nope. It's not so easy sometimes. So for the guys that are doing this yourself, I definitely wouldn't advise it because this is one pain in the rear job. But for the other guys who can weld and fabricate and or diverse in auto repair and fabrication, sure, go ahead, go at it. But I'm going to cut this video short. I assure you I'll get this done. It's like I said, it pays 7 hours or so. I'll have this done probably in 3 or 4 if we get parts in time, which I doubt. Thanks for watching.